What's up, everyone? We are back out here. I'm with Arnold. We're out here trying to catch surf perch and striper. We've got our game faces on. You can't really see my face. Hold up. Well, you still can't see my face, but we're gonna start off with surf perch and then try to go to striper if we don't catch anything. We went fishing last week, Marina State Beach, and let me tell you. Let me just show you the video real quick. Alright guys, so we're out here at Marina State Beach. Something's pulling, I don't know what it is. No bueno, no bueno. But I did learn my lesson, faster shoes. Let's get the pole in the water, try to catch some perch first. Yeah. What kind of fish is that? What'd you catch? Perch? Man, you can almost cut that one up and use it for bait. You can almost cut them up and use it for bait. Almost like live bait.
I probably will. Caught him on the idle, look. It looked like he ran into it.
Oh, wow.
I didn't get him in the mouth.
Huh. No skunk today. That's a half a fish. Yeah.
I got my pole and I felt a little...
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, at least the sun's coming up. So perch is not working out right now, no bites, but I'm gonna throw in a mixed jig, see if I can hook it to a striper or get some bites. And, doesn't mean I'm gonna stop fishing for perch. It just means that try striper for a little bit, then switch back to perch and switch back to striper and switch back to perch and switch back to striper. No. Oh, did I get something? Did I got something? I don't know. Oh man, hopefully it's a fish. Thought I got snagged. Oh, is it a fish? What is it? What is it? Oh man. Oh, this is no bueno. No bueno at all. No bueno. Come on, guy. There it is. Come on, go back in the water, buddy. Go back in the water. Go back in the water. Make it. Make it. Go back. Go, 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 go. Did you get it? There he goes. I don't want to get too close. I think he's gone. Oh. Well, all right. Caught something, not something I wanted, but. What happened? I caught a stingray.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you?
I caught it like halfway there, and as I was pulling it in, I thought it got snagged. Luckily, I wiggled the hook out. It wasn't.
Dangerous, man.
Yeah, it hooked on the back.
Dangerous ones here, man. Those ones got the big. Did you see the spine?
Yeah, I saw the spine and everything, and then it was like right here too. I'm surprised that people they go swimming. They. Yeah, it was close too. I brought him in, and I brought him all the way in, and then finally I got the hook out, and I was like, go, go, let the wave. So the wave took him. I don't want to touch that thing.
Man, that is dangerous.
Yeah. All right, guys. Here's the status. Caught a stingray. Arnold called small perch. Not much bites right now, so hopefully tide's coming in, so hopefully they start biting. You get him? Yeah. Come on, reel him in. There he is. Nice. Small one, but you got one. There you go. Yeah.
Another little perch.
Yeah.
I got him again. Exactly the same spot where I got the other one.
Oh man, the eye.
Yeah.
Well, today started off pretty rough, but at least I caught something. We're about to leave. I caught a few rays out here. That's the only thing I seem to be able to catch. You know, like I said, I caught a striper, I caught a paladin. I'm trying, but it's a lot. Trying to learn the area, trying to learn the bait, learn the fish. A lot to learn.
Oh, there you go. Fish number 3. Huh? Oh, you got a crab. Oh, you got a crab. Oh man, look at that. It's definitely not legal.
Definitely not legal.
Yeah.
Breaktime activities, I got a crab and I gotta let him go.
Nice, man. I'm glad we saved. That little man. He's gonna go back in. There you go.
Crab, eh?
Yeah.
He's eating the worm, man.
So we were about to leave, and we were just saying, hey, stick around for 30 more minutes. And Arnold got a bite. And as you guys know, if you're not catching anything, you're not getting any bites, there's a little bit of hope. And he was able to get that perch and also that crab. So we're gonna stick around for a little bit longer, then head back. It's a long ways back, so we try to stay as long as we can here. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the channel. And we didn't get the exactly the results we wanted, but it's better than not catching anything at all. So Breaktime activity.
see us again on the next channel.
Breaktime activities. Have a great day.